Hello fellow maker enthusiasts, and welcome back to 3D printed soup, 3D print du jour. I didn't do one yesterday because I was ill and I thought, oh my god, I've caught the dreaded lurgy. But no, turned out it was just a summer cold or hay fever, so thank god for that. So let's go back to doing one print a day. I don't know about you, but I have loads of these things kicking around the house. These are LED controllers. When you buy controllers for your LEDs, you get these. So you can change the colour of them, you can change the tone of them, you can change whether they flash or strobe, and they're really good for controlled lighting environments. Yes, you can buy stuff that you can control on your phone, you can buy stuff you can get apps for, but quite frankly I can't be asked to waste money on that because I've got two rooms where basically I need to control the lighting, both of which can be done by those remotes. However, I keep dropping them, losing them and putting them in toolboxes and forgetting they're there. So I need to find myself some kind of rack or wall-mounted clamp so I can keep those in there and have them like a light switch so I can just operate them from there or take them out. So I had a quick look on the internet and yeah, some of my fellow builders have made some of these. So I've gone for a fairly simple one. I'm going to print it out, attach to the wall and see if I can't get my life a bit more organised when it comes to controllable lighting controllers. Let's give this a try. So yeah, that turned out really, really well. I like the way that it attaches to the wall. Let's have a look at it. And I've got it right here. It's a nice size, it fits next to the light switch, and these things just fall straight into it. Keeps it nice and secure, easy to use, on, off, different colours, and you just take it straight out, and it's nicely done so you can basically have different ones for different sizes. This one won't fall out, but I can put a bigger one in it if I want to, and even probably put a smaller one there as well. So yeah, very, very happy with the way this came. I'll put a link in the description below as normal, so feel free to print it out yourself and leave a comment for the guy who actually created the file because he's done a really, really nice job here. Okay, so that's the print of the day done. Feel free to like and subscribe. In fact, please do subscribe because it really, really helps the channel. Leave comments down below as normal and click the bing notification bell and it will tell you when I next upload a video. Thanks for watching.